For installation on a top lock, the connector you will be using can be found in the yellow bag. Lift the arm in an upright position and place a towel underneath. This will protect the windshield if you accidentally allow the wiper arm to fall. Ensure your windshield is clean, dry, and free of any debris. For best results, install in a cool, dry place and not in direct sunlight or extreme heat. Remove the pre-installed connector. Attach the connector from the yellow bag to your wiper. Attach connector to arm. Push to lock arm. Place the arm gently back on the windshield and remove the towel. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles after installing your blades to ensure they are working properly. Removal. Lift the arm in an upright position and place a towel underneath. Push the button on top and pull blade out of the arm.